Orange Intelligenz.
Welcome to the Kuka booth at the PACX Toronto show. We on display have today a couple of different cells. This one over here is our Ready to Educate cell. It's displaying our new KR3 robot, capable of lifting 3 kilograms, 540 millimeter reach. And this cell is used for educational facilities around Canada. One of the interesting things about this cell is that it shows collaboration, specifically the distance separation monitoring of robots. And as you can see, it can be done even with an industrial robot. It will slow down the robot as we approach it. That way we can get away without having any fences. Instead of using our old form of manufacturing cubes, right now we're doing 3D printing, which once again shows students new ways of innovation. It comes as a complete system. As you can see, there are exercises, there's a complete curriculum that the schools can use in order to be able to put the cell in place and start using it right away. And this is our barista cell, featuring our LBR EWA, our sensitive robot. It is more than just a collaborative robot because it has extremely sensitive torque sensors in each one of its 7 axes. So it bases the reading of the forces on those sensors versus the current in the motors. And it does so at 1 millisecond intervals, which is extremely fast. The 14 kilogram payload robot that you see over here, it's just under 30 kilograms. So you can either take it from one station, put it on another one, or we actually have carts that you can put the robot on and wheel it around. In addition, we have AGVs that can take the robot from one station to another station automatically. By being so sensitive, it's ideal for assembling gears, which are rigid, and therefore it requires for the robot to be compliant, or assembling soft materials like rubber gasket or flexible hosing. And in this case, it's asking for a cup in order to make a coffee. The robot verifies, and now it's going to draw a graphic on the cup for you. The graphic was developed using Octopus's software, a cat-to-path software that tells the robot how to move in order to generate the graphics. And you're ready for your coffee. And this cell over here is going to make some coffee for me. I place the cup in a holder over here and request a coffee. So the robot now knows that a cup has been placed and places it under the coffee maker. And meanwhile, it's requesting a coffee cup from the other robot. And it brews a coffee for me. Meanwhile, the other robots that you see over here are doing line tracking of the coffee cups. Our vision system is finding the location of each cup, and the robots get to order them in rows on the other conveyor. The one conveyor randomizes the cups, the K-cups, and the 2 robots place them in proper order, which typically would be an application in the packaging industry for, let's say, picking cookies, placing them into trays, using vision and conveyor tracking. So it looks like my coffee is made, so I'm gonna bring it in. And cheers. So for more information on this technology and much more, visit us on kuka.com.